Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold3, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card into this device. So to get started, you want to grab one of these, a SIM eject tool. Now it comes provided with the device and the box, so you can get it from there. You could also use one of the, like a paper clip, and straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. And from there, once you have that, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left or right side of the device, depending how you look at it. When it's open, it's on the left. When it's closed, it's on the right. So yeah, so let's pop it out. As you can see, once you press the pin in, the tray pops out just ever so slightly, and from here you can take it out, and you have space for two different SIM cards on either side of the tray. And you want to place the SIM card with the chip side up, like so, and then insert it back into the device. And it should work automatically without needing to reboot the device. As you can see, enter SIM card pin. So once I enter it, the card is now completely good to go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.